Another layout update, I think. Right, doing various bits, tinkering with the scenery. And starting to weather up the track a bit more. You can see in the yard. Extended the fence. Spear fencing yet to be painted. I was going to carry it on across here, but as you can see it straddles the joints in the board, which I'm not keen on, so I've got to have a think about that at the moment. Might stop short, duck into the hedge. We yet to see. And this hut, which I built and decided I had nowhere to put it or use, got plonked here weeks ago. I don't know, I quite like it. I think it lends itself to its own little point of focus. It's just sprayed in brown at the moment, but that could be grotted up, a bit of rust, some weeds. I think that's going to be interesting. And over on the embankment at the back, got more sort of bracken, dyed ferns, dead, you know, winter time. And that's been added through the layout in various areas because I was concerned that there wasn't enough decaying foliage as there would be during the winter months and autumn. And the fence has slowly been progressing. I was going to make another bit, but I wasn't quite sure where we would run with it. Whether we're just going to follow the base of the embankment and tail out with this footpath in the foreground, or scoot up the embankment and join up to the footbridge, to the overbridge over the river. But again, another join, which I'm not keen on straddling with fences because it's just prone to get smashed to pieces as soon as I try and move it. And modified cassettes. Dun, dun, dun. So, as I said, I got fed up being electrocuted because these were powered originally and there was just some links from there onto the rail. So now what we've got is these banana plugs. So the power comes in there and just pop them in. Yep, same there, and there's another power point there because I'm not sure if some of the smaller cassettes which I've made, if the cable would be long enough, and I don't want the cables too long because I'll just get in the way. Haven't decided yet if I'm going to put the handles back on or change, because I found on like these smaller ones the handles just got in the way. So we'll see. I may put one on and have a play and see how we get on. Next step is pull these out. Uncouple the loco and then move it to the other end. Right, so we've turned that cassette round. Leaves a slot for the loco, and then with a bit of magic, ting! Locos run round, and it's ready to leave. Oh, wrong way. Try again. And the cassettes at the other end. That one's just been moved. That's down the other end of the layout at the moment. So we've got enough to function. I will make a couple more. Not really sure at the moment how many I need. It's not something I want to make too many of because there's quite a bit of work involved. Drilling through this acrylic plastic base. It's quite a brittle material, so you've got to get the hole size correct before you go and put a self-tapping screw in, otherwise it just shatters, which I learned the hard way. But never mind, that's done. I had a little play, demonstrate the cassette in action. And we're just getting down to the finer points now. That fiddle yard up there is now wired up. We just got to tag up the wiring underneath, stop it so it's not drooping down. I'll remove the board for that. And then adapt the wire in this end, put those little banana plug sockets along here and change the wiring as it used to be, you see. And then we're away. Pretty much electrically done. Just a couple of point motors to put on this board here, and it's just finer details then. Finer details, and then working out how to make it more portable when it's dismantled, which will have it'll be stackable. They'll be stacked on top. There'll be some boards cut to go on the ends, and I split it, and then piece just slot over the top, and another one on top, and then some sort of tie bar of some sort to hold them all together. And that is about it at the moment. Been busy gardening and work, so not an awful lot's progressed, but today was a good day. I say we've got the wiring done in that yard, we'll get the wiring done this end, and we're getting there.